Hello, friends. Today, our story is The Greedy Dog. Once upon there was a dog. One day he felt hungry. He went in search of food, but he got nothing to eat. At last, he reached in a butcher shop. He stole a piece of meat. He wanted to eat it alone, so he ran outside the city. On the way, there was a stream. The dog passed over the bridge. By chance, he looked into the water. He saw his reflection in it. He took it for another dog with a piece of meat in its mouth. He wanted to get this piece also, so he began to bark. As he opened his mouth, his own piece of meat fell into the water. He repented of his folly, but it was too late. He had to go without food that day. So, this story moral is do not be greedy. Like and subscribe.